Your water heater works hard every day to provide hot water for your home. But like any appliance, it needs routine maintenance to stay safe, efficient, and reliable. Today we're going to explain what a tanked water heater checkup is, what gets inspected, and when it's time to call a professional. A tanked water heater checkup is a routine inspection designed to make sure your water heater is operating safely and efficiently. This type of checkup applies to both gas and electrical tanked water heaters and helps catch small issues before they turn into costly problems. During a tanked water heater checkup, several key components are inspected. The temperature and pressure relief valve, also called the T and P valve, is checked to ensure it can safely release pressure if needed. The tank and connected pipes are inspected for leaks, corrosion, or signs of rust that could lead to failure. For heating performance, the heating elements or burner are checked to confirm the unit is heating water properly and efficiently. And the anode rod, which helps prevent corrosion inside the tank, is inspected and replaced if necessary to extend the life of the water heater. Regular water heater checkups offer several important benefits. They help prevent leaks and costly water damage, improve efficiency to help lower energy bills, and extend the overall life of your water heater. Most importantly, a checkup provides peace of mind, knowing your hot water system is dependable when you need it most. There are also a few simple maintenance steps homeowners can take. Draining a few gallons from the tank once a year can help remove sediment buildup. Keep the area around the water heater clear to allow proper airflow and safe access. And for safety and efficiency, set your water heater temperature to around 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Some situations should always be handled by a professional. Call for service if you notice water leaks, rusty or discolored water, strange noises, inconsistent hot water, or problems with the temperature and pressure relief valve. These issues can signal safety concerns or internal damage that shouldn't be ignored. A tanked water heater checkup is a simple step that can protect your home, improve performance, and help your system last longer. If you have any questions or concerns, a licensed professional can help ensure your system is safe and reliable.